like a mattress on
Show the chili.
Round 2, everybody. The chili has just been recovered.
And it actually looks kind of
Put this on
normal.
Facebook.
Okay, so are we going to go right on it and put it on his doorbell?
On his?
Same guy?
Again?
But then he'll come out and that'll be awesome. And then our escape route will be right there. Yep.
He's probably just gonna call the cops.
There's not.
Why? We're just putting chili.
You guys are gonna call the cops.
Here. Dude, what's in my...
Say why you throw away my chili.
Why you throw
I'll put.
No, say why you throw away chili.
Why you throw away... Okay, stop moving.
Spell it right.
Spell
okay?
it right. Why you...
How do you spell
Just put
throw?
why you
Throw.
T-H-R-O-W.
You.
No. Throw. T-H-R-O-W. Just make that a W.
Why
And then
you throw?
just put away.
Why you throw away?
No, why you throw? No, why'd you throw me away?
Are you recording this? You actually record this.
I am.
Okay, then hold it right there and have the camera get this.
Question mark.
KK.
No question mark.
Wait, hey, Cody.
Throw me away.
Why you throw me away?
Round
Here's
2.
some chili, get better.
It looks like chocolate
Hey,
now.
Dude, it might be too long of a run for Cody to make again.
It's like 50 steps.
Yeah, I know, but he barely made it last time.
Yeah. And he's probably waiting.
I'm not doing it. Cody, maybe. Cody. When you set it up there, run around and down behind.